Recently, I realized one beautiful thing, and this realization just changed the way I see my life now. It changed the way I am acting, even feeling, even doing all these things. It changed my life. Like for a long time, I used to think like life was happening to me because of people, because of situation, because of my past, because of timing. But through self healing, through working on myself, observing myself, knowing myself more, I realized that it is me who have consciously or maybe unconsciously have created the life that I am living now. Whatever I'm struggling now, it is because I have created it through maybe some belief, limiting beliefs, some patterns. Maybe I was in loop through fears, through reacting in a bad way, maybe even through silence. Yes, I have created this life. So if I am now not having the love life that I want, or if I'm struggling with money, it's because of me. And this realization, when I understood this realization, when I got this realization, I felt very uncomfortable, to be honest. It was like, oh, it's me who have created it. The sense of blame then comes, like it was me who have created it. And it feels so easy to blame others, like, oh, for you I have to struggle, you hurt me, that's why I am here. This thing didn't happen to me, that's why I'm here. It is very easy to say, but when you know that it is actually you who have created, it takes a lot of courage first to accept it and take responsibility. When I realized, yes, it was very uncomfortable. But also the fact that because I realized that this life I've created through some of my patterns, beliefs, whatever, that also means that I can create the life that I want. For example, if today I'm struggling with money, then it's because I had all these limiting beliefs about money. I was resisting money. But now, if I know that it was me who was resisting money through all these beliefs, all these fears, my most important fear was that if I have money, I have to give money. Like, if people will know that I'm earning money, they will ask me money. This is the biggest belief that I had. So now, when I took the responsibility and I realized that this is the reason I was resisting money for so long. Now I can change this belief, that I can be like, it's okay for me to give money, it's okay for me to say no if I don't want to give money to anyone. It's like it's always up to me, no one can take it from me, right? So now I can change my life, now I can change the belief. So this fact that now you can change your life, it gives it gives a lot of relief. But you need to take responsibility, and that is the topic that I want to talk about: taking 100% responsibility of your life, not blaming anyone. Like, if you say that you have not created it, it happened because of your parents, because of your childhood, or because any people hurt you, they broke your heart, they cheated on you, whatever it is. If you blame others, you cannot change it, because then you give the power outside of you. But when you take responsibility and you like it happened because of me, then you give the power to you, then you can work on yourself, work on whatever pattern it is, whatever belief it is, then you can change your life. So taking 100% responsibility is the first step. Then secondly, no firstly sorry firstly, you should understand how you have created it. Okay, so if you have any troubling situation or any struggling situation, whatever it is, you don't have a love life, or your partner cheated on you every time, whatever it is, so what is the situation and how you have created it? If you know how you have created it, then the second step is taking responsibility. I did a mistake there. Second step is taking responsibility, because when you take responsibility, will now change your belief. You can affirm, you can do your mirror work, whatever it is. If you have fears, you can do EFT, you can do hoponopono, whatever it is. But if you take 100% responsibility and you know that it is you who have created it, then only you can change it. So now you know that it is because of me. And also in love life, like, if someone is cheated on you, or you go in the same pattern, then it is also because of you, because maybe you have not treated yourself better. So it all comes within. And I'm not saying it like I became the master of it, but I am also working on myself, I'm becoming, I'm healing. But when I took responsibility of my life, let me say you, I am getting wins. I am, you know I'm living in such a relief, like the fact that this is the future that I want, and I can create it, because I'm not giving the power outside, I'm giving the power inside. I know it's me, and if I know I can create it, I'm working on everything, it will happen for me. It gives a lot of relief. But when you are walking and you were stressing, like, will it happen, will it happen, if these people does that, suppose in your love life or whatever it is, if I don't get it, you always give the power outside, so then you are not able to live in a stress free life, then you will be always in stressed, always these thoughts will come. So 100 taking 100% responsibility is very important of your life, whatever, in whichever area. Like, if when I was learning about this topic, in the community that I am, then one girl was saying like, but I didn't knew about anything this all, then how am I responsible? I didn't knew, I did it unconsciously. Then my mentor said like, who is responsible for you not knowing? And it also like uh, pinched me, like, yes, who is responsible for me not knowing? It's me only, no. I'm responsible for not knowing it. Like, this was my belief. Like, now when I knew about that, I was resisting money, I was resisting my love life because I'm afraid to give. Who is responsible for me not knowing? It's me only. So taking 100% responsibility is very important. When it's like, okay, I didn't knew it, I was not conscious before, but now, because I know it, I'm very grateful, and I now take 100% responsibility of my life, and then you can change your life. So that's all what I had to say. uh, whatever is the situation, just take responsibility first. Try to know how you have created it, with whatever beliefs, whatever pattern, whatever. Maybe you, if you are feeling like sad, maybe if you are feeling like people don't understand you, maybe it's because you never expressed it. Whatever it is, try to know it first, how you have created this situation. Just take time to think how maybe you have created the situation that you are in now, whatever is the struggling or troubling situation that you are having. Then the second step is taking responsibility, and thirdly, you, whatever is that comes out in how you have created, you just need to transform it. If it's belief, negative beliefs, transform it into positive beliefs. If it's fears, then do all the EFT techniques or hoponopono, and just release these fears and look for safety, affirm this positive things. If you know there is a pattern of you, like you give more in a relationship, then try to work on your self-worth and self-love. It automatically comes. If you know how you have created it, the answer, what you need to do now, will automatically come. So that's all for today. My girls, just take responsibility of your life, and that's all what I had to say. Bye bye.